In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Jira project link. Whether you're a project manager, team member, or simply collaborating with others, sharing your Jira project effectively can improve communication and streamline your workflow. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to ensure everyone involved in the project is on the same page. Let's get started by navigating to Jira. You will want to go to the Your Work section, which can be accessed directly when you log in. This section is essentially your home base on Jira. It displays everything related to your current work, from projects you're part of to tasks assigned to you. Knowing how to navigate here is essential for managing your workload effectively. Once you are at your work, the next step is to select the specific project you'd like to share. You'll find all the projects you're engaged in listed here. Take a moment to locate the project you want to share. Selecting the right project ensures that you are sharing the correct set of information with your team or colleagues, so make sure you double check. With the project open, turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a share icon. Clicking this icon is your key to connecting others with this project easily. It's typically represented by a symbol of an arrow indicating outgoing action, which is quite fitting since you're going to send information off to others. After hitting the share icon, you'll notice a dialog box that allows you to share the project link with others within your organization, or even beyond if necessary. The interface will prompt you to type in the name, team name, or even the email address of the person you intend to share the project with. It's designed to be intuitive, making this part of the task a quick and easy procedure. As you start typing, Jira may even offer suggestions based on the people you frequently collaborate with, which can save you a few seconds. In addition to selecting the recipient, you have the option to type a personalized message. Adding a message can be especially helpful if you want to provide some context about what you're sharing, or if there are specific remarks or instructions regarding the project. Here, clear communication is key, as it helps in clarifying any potential misunderstandings and strengthens the collaborative process. Next, you'll see two main options for sharing the link: either copy the link or directly share it. Clicking copy link is great for pasting the URL into an email, chat, or document. This option gives you flexibility in how you'd like to distribute the link. Alternatively, you can choose to share the link directly through Jira's built-in sharing features, which can immediately notify the recipients in their Jira account or associated communication tools. It's particularly useful if you want to keep everything integrated within the Jira ecosystem. In summary, sharing a Jira project link can be done in just a few steps, starting from the Your Work section, selecting your project utilizing the share icon, and then entering the recipient's details along with an optional message before choosing your preferred sharing method. This process is not only straightforward, but is also designed to help you maintain effective communication with your team, ensuring that everyone has easy access to the project details they need. And there you have it. With these clear and easy steps, you can now share any Jira project with your colleagues or team members effortlessly. Having everyone on the same page is crucial for collaborative success, and sharing project links is an integral part of that communication puzzle. Utilize this feature to boost your productivity and keep your project management seamless and efficient. Remember, the right tools and clear instructions are your best allies in project management. Make sure to use these strategies frequently and consider creating a regular checklist to incorporate what you've learned today. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project sharing.